In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a timeline in DaVinci Resolve. Duplicating a timeline is one of those simple but essential skills that saves time and keeps your projects organized. It's perfect when you want to try a different edit, create alternate versions, or protect a finished cut while you experiment. Let's walk through it clearly so you know exactly what to do and why each step matters. Start by heading to the Edit page. This is the workspace designed for building your sequence, and it's where your timelines live alongside your media. Once you're there, look to the media pool. The media pool is your project's library, and it doesn't just hold clips and audio, it also stores your timelines as assets. If your project has multiple bins or folders, make sure you're viewing the right bin so you can see the timeline you want. Now, locate the timeline you want to duplicate inside the media pool. It's important to select the timeline asset in the media pool itself, not just the timeline currently open on your timeline viewer. The duplicate command works on the asset, so click on the correct one to highlight it. With the timeline selected, right-click on it. This opens a context menu with various options specific to timelines and media. From this menu, choose Duplicate Timeline. As soon as you do, Resolve creates an exact copy of the original timeline. You'll see the duplicate appear in the same bin within the media pool. By default, it usually appends copy to the original name, so it's easy to spot at a glance. To keep your project tidy, it's a good idea to rename the duplicate right away. Simply right-click on the duplicated timeline and select Rename. Give it a clear descriptive title, something like version 2, alt cut, music change, or a date-based label. Consistent naming helps you track versions and stay organized as the project grows. A quick note for peace of mind, duplicating a timeline is non-destructive. It doesn't create new media files or change your original, it just makes another timeline that references the same source clips. That means you can safely experiment in the copy without risking your main edit. If you're working with multiple sequences or client variations, this workflow lets you branch off cleanly and return to any version at any time. That's all there is to it. You've duplicated your timeline, confirmed the copy in the media pool, and